Welcome back to Snug Notes. This is Trina. We've got another project shared today. This is a little laminated traveler's notebook. I first saw the idea from Covered by Grace Creations, and it's pretty cute. I like it. This kit is made with April and Ivy from American Crafts. So that's the paper I used. So let's take a look. Got a little pocket here, little piece paper clip tool. Got a belly band. Let's see if I can. Another pocket. Got a little bookmark, laminated. Got a paper clip. This is another belly band. I don't have anything in there, but we've got our little laminated notebook. Another bookmark. Look at that ribbon. Isn't that cute with the little butterflies? Another pocket. And we got another belly band back in the back here. We've got a place for the pen. It's got a little charm, a little heart. That's pretty cute. Thanks for watching.